In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable a nearby sharing feature. Nearby sharing feature is a feature that allows you to share a file, photos, videos, or a link to a nearby device. So in order to use the feature, it has to be enabled. So to do that, there's two ways to do that. The first and the easiest way is to quickly enable it from the Action Center. So if you click the Action Center, expand it, you have an option to turn it on or off. So to turn it on, you just click the nearby sharing. To turn it off, click it to turn it off. The other way to enable that feature is if you go Start, Settings, and then click System, scroll down to Shared Experience, click on it, and here under the Shared Experiences you can enable the nearby sharing. So to do that, you just turn it on, and that enables that feature. And here it gives you an option to share it by every device or to share it by My Devices. So if you select My Devices option, that will allow it to share. If you select My Devices option, it will only allow the devices on your Microsoft account. And here you can change the location of the files that you receive. So if someone shares a file with you, then when you accept it, those files will go under your downloads folder, and you can change that as you like it to a different location. Actually, let me rephrase this. So if you are enabling this feature, nearby sharing, you're not sharing anything. You're basically let other devices discover your computer. So when they want to share something with you, you have an option to stop it. So you're not basically sharing any information on your computer. You're allowing the other devices to see your computer so they can share a file, photo, video, link, anything that they want to share with your computer. And you have a control to accept what they share with you or to reject it. So in case some device discovers your computer and they send you a file, you can reject that. It does not automatically come to your computer unless you explicitly allow to receive that file from the other device. And it's always a good security practice to turn it off if you're not using it. It's one click away to turn that feature off. So you just click the Action Center and click on it to turn it off. So let me show you how that works. So let me open a file that I want to share with another device. So if I click a file, right click, or actually not right click, click a file, and then click the share option, and then click share. And here I see a computer, a device, another device that I can share that file with. So if I click that, now it's sending that file to the other computer or that device, and the user on that device is going to receive a notification saying that another device is sending you a file. So you have an option, or that person has an option to accept that. And if they don't accept it in time, it's going to expire. So you have a number of seconds to accept, otherwise it's gonna cancel automatically. So as you can see, that share is canceled because the other user or the user on the other device did not accept your file. So let's try that again. So click the file, click share. Okay, click the computer that I want to share the file with. The user on that computer is going to receive the notification. So now you can see they accepted that file. So the file is sent successfully to that computer. Now I'm going to show you how this process works on the receiving end. The device starts receiving the file. So when you send a file to a computer, this is a message that we're going to get. So receiving a file from this computer, the file name, and then it gives you an option to save it and open, save it or decline it. So I'm going to save it. So now, as you can see, I'm receiving the file and it's saving it onto my location that I selected under the settings that I showed you in the previous computer. So once I receive the file, I can make a change to the file, send it back. It's my file now, it's on this device. So if you remember, my default location to save the received files is my downloads folder. So there you go, that's the file I'm receiving. Nearby sharing, with the wrong spelling of course. Nearby sharing 3 is the file name. So now the file, I received the file successfully. Now I can open that file, I can make change to it, I can send it back to the other computer using the similar process. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video.